Ladies and gentlemen, I would like also to recall that on the 26th of March this year, the Bureau of the African Union Heads of State and Government endorsed the need for a joint continental strategy that is underpinned by cooperation, coordination, collaboration, and communication in order to help African Union member states to respond to COVID-19. As you are aware, the COVID-19 pandemic continues to spread on the continent. Unfortunately, the numbers are increasing every day. The death toll is increasing with no vaccines yet. It's really a big challenge and a big risk for Africa and globally. Having said that, we must remain vigilant in our ongoing response and efforts to slow further COVID-19 transmission across the continent. Africa has reached a critical juncture in this pandemic. It was just 2 weeks ago that Africa surpassed 1 million cases of COVID-19. Noting that we still do not yet have a vaccine available on the continent, and that we must recognize the difficult socioeconomic effects caused by this pandemic on member states. We must continue to be proactive in response efforts so that we do not lose precious gains made with preventive measures made at the onset of the pandemic. As our economies, borders, and schools begin to reopen, we must envisage and develop a harmonized approach to do so across the countries to reduce risk of increased transmission and to protect our citizens and nations as they make efforts to return to normalcy. To that effect, today is yet another important milestone for the African Union and Africa CDC. I am proud to announce the official launching of the African Union against COVID-19 Saving Lives, Economies and Livelihoods campaign. Its efforts to fight the pandemic and saving lives, economies and livelihoods aims to utilize innovative tools, methods and partnerships with the private sector to develop harmonized strategies aimed at preventing transmission, death, and social and economic harm on the continent.